Now here's something to consider. Most of them nowadays has this little energy guide on there and stuff. And these are more energy efficient too, by the way. Even if your old wall mount air conditioner or window air conditioner is still working, chances are it's working overtime. It's costing you more money than you're saving had you buy a new air conditioner. And most states, they have a program where you can send in and get a rebate. And you might be able to get $50 rebate for changing out your air conditioner, or a $75 rebate. It just depends. Ask your local state how to go about that. You might have to Google energy saving and air conditioner and put in your state or whatever, see what comes up, and then it might make a difference. This is a 12,000 BTU unit. They might say, hey, 12,000 is fine. Anything less than 12,000, no, we're not going to give you anything, or we're going to give you $50 for an 8,000 and $75 for a 12,000. Or, you know, about a year and a half ago, they said, no, we're not doing air conditioners anymore. We're only doing dryers, refrigerators, dishwashers, and washing machines, stuff like that. But look at your local area, ask some questions, because you might get a deduct, you might get a rebate. You have to send in a copy of your receipt and all that kind of stuff, and you may get $75 back. And if you're replacing 3 of them, hey, that's $250, $225 right there, right? So think about that and check that out. Now see, most of the time these air conditioners are window mount. This is actually called a window mount air conditioner. And we're not installing it in a window, are we? It comes with the housing, and this is what I like about these. See this housing bit? You install this first. Okay, this is the old one. I'm going to take this out, and I love that about these air conditioners. Some air conditioners do not have a housing that you install first and then slide it in. You have to take the whole thing up there, hold it in your window, teeter-totter it around, and try to bolt it in, and then you put these little fin things on the side, and it all comes in here for that. But the cool thing about this property was they measured the housing and they roughed in the opening for these housings. So obviously you have to get the right size air conditioner to fit this. One size is it, and there's not that many air conditioners with this exact same size, okay? But we found some, and that's what we're gonna install.